Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to use Android app streaming on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. This feature allows you to use your Android phone application on your Chromebook. To enable it, simply open Settings, click on Connected Devices, and here you will find Android phone option. Simply click on Setup. Make sure your Android phone and your Chromebook are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth option is enabled. Then click on Connect. Now enter your PIN, then click on Done and wait for the verification process. Once done, click on the option. Here simply turn on Phone Hub feature, scroll down and enable App Stream option. Click on Setup, click on Next, connect your Chromebook and your phone to the same Wi-Fi network. Then click on Done. Now click on this phone hub icon on a Chromebook shelf and here you will get access to your mobile phone application. Click on it, browse through the application you want to use on your Chromebook and open the application. So that's it. This is how you can use Android streaming feature on your Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.